In this video, we show how to replace a backplane in an R470. Before working inside your system, read through and follow safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. To remove the backplane, ensure that you have removed all drives that are installed in the system. Then disconnect the data and power cables from the back of the backplane. If you have the optional control panel installed, you'll need to slide this out of the way and then squeeze the blue tabs and then lift the backplane out of the system. To install the backplane, align it with the sockets and the hooks on the back of the plane. Place it in there, sliding it under the optional control panel if you have it, and then clip it into place. And slide this cable back under there if you removed it. And then reconnect any power and data cables that you disconnected. For more information or support about the PowerEdge R470, visit dell.com/support.